Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Pro Mode for night photography on the Redmi Note 15. So if you want to do night photos on this phone without actually using the night mode to have more freedom in what you're doing to adjust some settings, this is how you do it. The first thing that we're going to do is open up the camera app, then select the Pro mode, and here we're going to change a few settings, so some of these ones on the bottom. And the first one that we're going to change is going to be ISO. So ISO, we're going to turn it down to around in between 400 to 800. So I'm going to do 500. And then we also need to change the shutter speed, so this option right here. And we need to change it to be a longer option. So basically you can do like from 2 seconds to 4. So I'm going to do 4 seconds. So that means that the photo will take 4 seconds to actually process. So you need to keep your phone still. And to do that, make sure that you have a tripod or a stable surface. So you're going to have to do it with shaky hands. And once you've done all of these settings and you've adjusted them, this is what your final image will look like. So this was made in total dark. The only light was this little light right here and some light from the back that was barely visible, but the image is much more clearer than it was in real life. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.